She does.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I don't want to get my shit out of she at home. She didn't tell me nothing about that. That she had,
Yeah.
oh, wait a minute. Just let me see. Hold on. Where's Kim?
Healthy food every single
Kim.
meal. Give your dog another healthy habit.
No, what am I doing?
Food from
Baby,
the Farmer's
it's Kim.
Dog. Get 50% off.
Okay. Oh, there's Kim. Kim.
farmersdog.com/radio.
Hey,
Okay, I'm doing it.
You can just tap on the name
Yeah,
rather
no.
than the other button to call.
Yeah, this is a smartphone. This is new. My daughter bought
No,
this. I
that's
can't
what I'm
even work it.
No, that's what I'm saying. You can just tap on the name instead of that extra step you were doing.
So keep your
I know,
athletes safe this fall and
where's
winter
that?
with this important
that?
booster.
She's not
And of
answering.
course, wear a high
I'm
quality
gonna. I think that's her.
whenever you're inside.
Are you here at your house?
Visit sccfreevax.org
Oh,
or call
where?
211 to make your booster appointment. Stay healthy.
Yeah,
and
we
stay
are.
engaged.
Yeah, we're at the apartment.
At Frontier, we know you've had enough
Okay,
of cable
all right,
internet.
bye.
If you're tired of steep price hikes,
She's on her
upload
way
speeds
right now.
slower
She
than
said,
download
she
speeds,
said she'll be here in a
and
few
worrying
minutes.
about Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
You want to park
cable
here, or do you want to park?
switch to Frontier
Yeah,
Fiber.
since it's right
With
here.
unlimited
Yeah, I was
pricing,
gonna
equal
pull.
uploads
Okay,
and downloads,
yeah,
and
then
a
I
full
can
home
get
Wi-Fi
up.
guarantee. Introducing
Yeah, that's why I'm
Works
trying
the
to
way
like
it
get
should.
something that I
Frontier
can
Fiber with our 3-year price guarantee.
sit higher
Plus,
because I
you can get
can't
$200
see
Visa
being
reward
short.
card on us.
Huh?
Being
See
short, I
Frontier.com/fast
can't see
for complete
like
offer,
when
terms,
I.
eligibility, and performance details.
Oh,
Subject
you're
to
not
availability.
that short.
No, I have to see in front.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't see that well.
One constant truth leaders share is the importance